Are you struggling with preparing your PERM work experience letter? In this video, we're going to show you how to prepare your PERM work experience letter correctly. My name is John Dorer, and I'm the case manager at Immigration Office Solutions. Our team prepares immigration petitions for law firms and HR departments in all 50 states. In our videos, we share the process that we use to prepare these immigration petitions and how we teach our immigration paralegals. Before we move on, I want to emphasize that none of this information is to be construed as legal advice. If you need legal advice, we strongly recommend that you speak to an immigration attorney. Okay, with that out of the way, let's go on to the topic of this video, how to correctly prepare your PERM work experience letter. So what is a PERM work experience letter? It's required if your employer requires work experience or skills. So for example, if the PERM position requires 1 year of experience or 2 years of experience, or it requires experience in a particular skill set, like HTML, Java, etc. You'll want to have a work experience letter correctly formatted to be able to submit with your PERM and I-140 petition. So let's go over the 6 elements required for the PERM work experience letter. Number 1, the letter must be on the organization's letterhead. So this is for a previous employer. And it has to be on the company or organization letterhead. Number 2, the letter has to be signed by either an HR representative or a senior officer of the company, such as the president, vice president. Number 3, the complete job title or job titles that you held must be listed. Number 4, the complete job duties that you undertook must be listed. I'll correct the spelling on this shortly. Any tools that you use, any software tools that you used must be listed, should be listed. And the exact dates of employment, the from and to dates, must be listed. So let's go down and look at what a sample looks like. So this is the company letterhead, the date, USCIS Dallas lockbox, regarding, dear Sir, Madam, Mr. Gongo was employed full-time with our organization from, notice the full date, from, the full date to, his duties included specific job duties, and he used the following tools and technologies. Clearly listed. Sincerely, the signer and the job title. So for example, if the PERM ad requires DNS, DHCP, you're going to be required to have a PERM work experience letter that has specifically DNS and DHCP in it. So the PERM work experience letter is required if work experience or specific skills are required. So what happens if the previous company went out of business or is not responding? Secondary evidence is possible. What you want to do, what most people do, is they get affidavits from either a coworker or a former manager attesting that you indeed worked from this date to this date, this job title, these job duties, and these tools that you used. So affidavits from coworkers and previous managers, the more the better, because this is secondary evidence. So you really want to have overwhelming evidence that you indeed worked in this position from this period of time and performed these specific duties and used these specific tools. They're not always accepted by USCIS. So if you have 2 or 3, it's better than 1 because it's overwhelming evidence. Any other supporting evidence, such as a W-2 or previous paychecks to prove that you worked at that company, are definitely supportive. And number 1 is to exhaust all efforts to get the work experience letter. If you cannot get the work experience letter, only then should you use the affidavits. So I hope this helps. Leave a comment if you like it. If you have any suggestions, anything else that you want to hear about, immigration related, PERM related. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.